Alright folks, the new Gaslands Implements of Carnage Sprue number 2. Have a quick butcheroonie. Let's move that knife. So instructions here for building the buggy and the bike, and you've got a wrecking ball or grabbers. That's handy. So the main piece of these is the buggy, makes up the majority of it. You've got a buggy, a bike, some barrels, some jerry cans, little RC car, wrecking ball / grabber, and that's about it on each sprue. So you end up with 2 exactly the same. So you've got 2 buggies, which is nice. There's no different armament for each, but to be honest, they run with a machine gun on them anyway. Didn't see no point in changing that. I want to do something different, you can always change it up with the first Implements of Carnage Sprue and put something else on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build the buggy off camera, and then we're going to come back and we're going to talk about it. And there you go. Cool little great buggy. It's tiny. It really is. Let's put it next to it. A couple of vehicles. As you can see, it's diddy in comparison, but it's perfect buggy size. That's the whole point of a buggy. That's what trying to make a buggy out of a car. You want a buggy to be small. That's the whole point of them. So it scales up really nicely, fits in well as well with other vehicles. Looks apart, cut the punks, perfect. Because probably if you made both, one from each sprue, you could probably swap the bodies or the heads over so that they've got different heads on them, so a little bit more unique. Or you can swap over the weapons with stuff from the first Implements of Carnage Sprue. Yeah, I have fully assembled this. It's going to be, I ain't going to be painting any eyes, that's for sure, because the eyes are tiny on these guys. I don't tend to paint eyes on these, but it should paint up pretty nice. Like I say, went together really well. Great little buggy. That's it really, there's not much else to say about it. Obviously got loads of other stuff left on the sprue, like the oil drums, RC car, motorbike, like the scrambler bike, and the wrecking ball / grabber. Jerry cans are nice as well. Alright then folks, I'll see everyone next time.